All right. Hey, folks. I wanted to go over real quickly my little solution for hauling a Lectric XP3 bike in the bed of a truck. I didn't want it to be out in the weather. I didn't want it to be quite as obvious. That's what I was carrying either. And so here's the solution that I have come up with. All right, so these are those 40 quart containers that come from, these came from Sam's Club. I think I paid 17, 18, 20 bucks a piece. I think I got them on sale. They're the ones that come with those orange or yellow lids. Now I saw the same thing at Walmart. They had a red lid, and I think they were about $25 a piece. So a little bit better price at Sam's. So, and anyway, this is one of the two bikes here. But the one that I have in here is the white step through. Oh, here you go. So in order for this to go in there, I was able to, I did some measuring and fits perfectly. So the hinge portion is down there at the bottom. Be sure that if you use this method that you take the latch and the latch is pulled in the back position. You also have to be careful with where your pedals are. Be sure you fold your pedals up. But anyway, it fits in there just right. The tire goes right to the back. And that actually puts a little bit of pressure to keep it from shifting around too badly. As far as the handlebars, okay, you did have to detach the handlebars, and I did have to detach the seat. It slips down on there just fine. And also, in order to try to make it a little bit more weather sealed, I put on, it's just weather stripping that goes on windows. It's the one with the self-adhesive back. But it actually is not sticking as well as I wanted it to, so I did put some super glue on certain parts of that. So in order to latch this thing up, I went and bought some reusable zip ties, and they're pretty inexpensive. I think I paid $8 for 100 of them rather than the $3 or $4 bag of them at Harbor Freight that you cut loose. I didn't want to just leave those little things cut loose all over the place. So let's take a look at what it looks like in the truck. Now, as I think I said before, I travel in a F-250 when I'm pulling my camper without a truck bed. So if this had a truck bed cover, this wouldn't be possible. But the way it sets about, I would say, 8 or so inches above the bed rail. Should be able to see just fine with my rear view mirrors, and also plenty of room for other things that I'm going to carry back here. All right, anyway, so that's how we're going to do it.